Hi guys, welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle, in the additional, not in today's newspaper because today we have not received any newspaper. It's King's Day, yes, King's Day. No, it's the yesterday's edition, Wednesday, April the 26th, 2023, and I've already solved two puzzles today, the letter Sudoku and the two-star Sudoku, so one puzzle remain. It's the Tectonic with a one star. In English, it's a tectonic. In Dutch, in Dutch, it's a cipher block. In Japanese, they call it a Suguru. Yeah, Suguru. And this one will be. Oh, apologies. I've bumped the tripod here. Tripod. This one will be number 6346. Yeah, 6346. 6346. Before I start, I always count up printed digits. Well, this one, 15 printed digits. Should be an easy one. Yes, it's indicated with one star. And for one star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Is this really a one star puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me see. The first question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. I can't see any single boxes. Oh, well, we have one single box. Single box is always a 1. We have here dual boxes. I see here dual box. Only one dual box. Yes, contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I do not know in which order, so let me mark those two boxes with the 1 and the 2. Here also a dual box. The 2 is already given, so this box should be a 1 then. Alright. Next question. Do we have here triple boxes? Let me scan for triple boxes. Scanning. Nope, triple boxes. Then the following question. Quadra boxes then. Do we have quadra boxes? I see here a quadra box. Contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Well, I cannot fill those numbers. Need to wait. Insufficient information right now. Okay. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, or constructions. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Here, another one, but upside down. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. Then the following shape, construction, figure, structure, whatever you name it, that you need to recognize is this one. Let me draw this one here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 3 here. Okay. Alright, so this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more? Here, another one. This box has the same number as that box. More? Nope. Oh, here. Rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Alright, then the following shape. How about the T shape? We have a T shape here. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember. Oh, yeah, the T shape. We have a T shape here. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright, but also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Okay, the T shape. Then the following shape. How about the Z construction? If you flip this, you will get the S. Let me draw for this here, when you see the Z construction, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Alright. Only one Z construction here. Then the following with 5 numbers. This one is also a Z, but yeah, it has 4. It's totally different figure. Alright, then the last shape, this one. When you see this kind of shape, the L shape, rotated, this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 then, okay, 1. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright, and those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step. It's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. Alright. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be a 3. Those 3 boxes surround the 3 can be a 3. So 1 box left of the 3 in this area should be there. Alright. Then these 2 boxes can be a 3. So 1 box left of the 3 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 5 in this area. 1 and the 5, I cannot place the 1 there because we have a double 1 there. If I place the 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 should be here and the 5 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. Alright. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. Can be 3. Should be a 4. Can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. Alright. These 2 boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. 1 and 2. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also 1 and 2. But we already have a 2 here. So it can be 2 anymore. This box should be a 1. Is connected with that box. Should be also 1. 1 box left in this area for number 2. And this box is also connected with that box. Should be also a 1. These 2 boxes can be 2. So the 2 could be here. Could be there. Well, I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. Then I think this box should be a 4 because in this quarter box, it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Yes, last number 4. These 2 boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 3. Let me mark those 2 and the 3. 2 and the 3. This box can be a 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Then let me see. Come on. This is 1. These 2 boxes can be 1, but also those 2 boxes can be 1. We have a double 1 there. If you place a 1 here or there, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. These 2 boxes can be 3. That box can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. Yeah. This box can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. This box can be 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. Well, come on, come on, come on. Come on. Well, these 2 boxes can be 1. Those 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1. Should be there. Alright. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. This box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, come on, come on, come on. Yeah, I'm thinking. This box can be a 2 because we have a double 2 there. So it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. So 2 numbers left, the 4 and the 5 is connected with that box. So we also 4 and the 5. Okay. Alright. Ay. Come on. 1 and a 2. Well, I need a 2 here in this area. Here can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Come on. I need also 2 there. Need a 1, need a 2, and a 3. Oh. Come on. So 1 here. This box can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Cannot also a 4. We have a 4 in the same area, so 1 digit left should be the 5. Now we have a 5 there. So this box can be 5 in a row, this box should be a 4. Is connected with that box should be also 4. 2 numbers left in this Z construction for the numbers 2 and 5, 2 and 5. And this box is connected with that box should be also 2 or the 5. This box can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 5. We already have a 5 there, so it can't be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 2. This box is connected with that box should be also a 5. 1 box left in this Z construction for number 2. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. And 1 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 2. We have a 2 now, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be 2. 1 box left in this area for number 5. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 5. We have a 5 now, so this box can't be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, so 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 2 and the 4. 2 and 4, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 4 goes and there. These 2 boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Well, let me go up. 1 and 2 are missing here. Let me mark those. 1 and 2. We have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. And these 2 boxes can be... Oh, wait. Yeah, need a 5, need a 4, need a 2 also here. Okay, so that means that this box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. So the 1 goes together with the 3 as a pair. 1 digit left in this quarter box for number 2. These 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be 2, and I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes here. This box is connected with that box should be so 1, 1 and a 3. We have 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, the 4 goes there. 2 and the 3, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, the 3 goes there. Yeah. These two boxes can be 5. We have a double 5 there. So the 5 goes together with the 2 as a pair. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 2 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. So we also have 2. I've eliminated the 5. So the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left. In this T-shaped area from us 3. And the 4, we have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here and the 4 goes there, and this box is connected with that box. So we also have 4. 1 box left in this area for number 1. Finish in 50 minutes. Not faster than 50 minutes. But yeah, we solved it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and yeah. We will meet again Friday. We have new puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now, and have a great and fantastic King's Day. King's Day, yes, it's today King's Day. Bye-bye.